Ice jelly powder is gaining international popularity, attracting food lovers everywhere. As the summer heat continues, ice jelly powder feels like a timely rain, giving you a cooling sensation, spreading from domestic fame to international recognition. Whether you're in Los Angeles or Atlanta, sweet shops, hot pot restaurants, and buffets feature this cooling treat. It's not just a dessert, but a summer favorite, winning hearts in various dining scenes. Jack&King's Ice Jelly Powder, a small 40 grams packet mixed with 2,500 grams of boiling water and cool, is ready to enjoy. Paired with their brown sugar syrup and a blend of dried fruits, it creates a perfect, shareable treat for the whole family. Especially when faced with various cuisines, who can resist such a refreshing and inviting ice jelly powder treat? The Ice Powder Trio is now available nationwide in America, so feel free to inquire and indulge in this taste sensation. Jack&King, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.